Good morning, Chuck and Paige here with no time to be hungry today. What is this? This is like some kind of roasted marshmallow. It's not really that good.
It's not tasty.
Today we're gonna walk down to the street at a place called Ban Hair. It's a restaurant that we frequently go to. She's really good at making paka pao. I think I've made a lot of paka pao videos. Anyway, today we're gonna have a dish called patsy, and we're gonna walk down here and see if she can make it for us today. I don't even know if she's open. Okay, they are open, but there's not a lot of customers roaming around like us. We can take this off in here now. Anyway, today I want patsy mu song jaan. She's gonna show us how to make patsy. Like naman, a little bit of oil. Some mo sap, some ground pork.
Cá mực แล้วก็หมูกรอบเอาปลาดิบ
Vegetable. A little bit of sugar.
Fried up.
Fried up.
That you love that you do. Actually, you like almost everything.
Is that soy sauce? Okay.
ต้องยี่ห้อนี้มันถึงอร่อยซอสน้ำมันหอยน้ำมันไก่
And this is naman hoi.
นี่น้ำมันหอยซีอิ๊วดำ
Oh, patsy dam. That's a dark That's a dark soy sauce and a light soy sauce. Sorry.
ซอสขาวทอง
ใช่ Okay, let's give it a try. Patsy. Now this is a non-spicy dish at all, so you can add pepper if you want to. Let's do that now. So let's give it some flavor, some more flavor, extra flavor. I like wow. Very good. This is like a really simple dish to make. You just have to get these noodles, which is it's a rice noodle, a flat rice noodle. You can buy this pretty much at any Vietnamese store, market, which you usually can find all over the world. It just comes in a package. You just have to peel it out inside. It's a flat rice noodle. And the green is Chinese broccoli. Well, we have decided to walk across the street to our friend's hotel, which also is a coffee shop. I made a video on this if you guys are interested in coming here to Nakhon Phanom and Tháp Phanom and staying here and enjoying some of the wonderful places that I've showed in the videos. This is the place to stay. You guys can check out the video here. If you're watching it on TV, I'll put the name of the video down here and you can just type that in on your TV. But let's go in here. I think they have some smoothies too. I'm not really sure. Let's go see what they got. Instead of the coffee, looks like we've got some strawberry smoothie instead.
I think.
So maybe I'll get something a little not so filling. That didn't work out. Okay, let's give it a try. Brain freeze. Yogurt smoothie. Hello. And I always forget the name of that.
Strawberry ice cream.
I always forget the name of that.
Ah. Dang soda manal.
Okay. Dang soda manal. You don't have to cuss at me. Otherwise, definitely a place to stay. Good ice cream, actually good coffee. She's got a pretty decent little menu here of food, which is growing day by day. And yeah. What else are you gonna do?
Spring roll.
Okay, we have some spring rolls. I'm actually gonna make a video on spring rolls.
No, yours is egg roll.
I mean egg roll, but similar, like a fried egg roll, Vietnamese style, Saturday. Similar. It feels like it's really hot inside. I'm probably gonna burn like all the skin off of my tongue. She's in the background. Very good. Hello. Well, guys, that's it. I'm full. Are you full? I don't know if I can eat dinner tonight. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's No Time to Be Hungry video. Next video is going to be a crispy fried egg roll, courtesy of Mamu. I think. I haven't really asked her yet, so maybe we won't. But anyway, I think we will. She likes to cook, and she's a good cook. Anyway, if you like today's video, don't forget to click like. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We need about 400 more for me to eat that flaming hot chip. Anyway, we'll. You're not gonna. I got 2.
No, you only have your partner.
We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Bye.